Welcome to CDEV 108, Observation and Assessment for Early Learning and Development. I am your instructor. My name is Professor Dusenberry, also known as Professor D. A little bit about myself. I am currently a full-time director at a preschool in Orange. I am also adjunct faculty here at SCC as well as at SAC. I really enjoy teaching these early childhood courses. I teach several, so I'm hoping to see you in other classes as well. I just wanted to get with you to provide some quick notes before we begin our session that begins August 24th. This is a 16-week course that starts August 24th and goes through December 11th. So our textbook that we're going to be utilizing in this course is called Week by Week Plans for Documenting Children's Development, and it's the 7th edition. This is what the textbook looks like. I want to make sure you purchase this sooner than later. We'll be reading through this textbook, and then you also want to purchase the companion, which is called MindTap. MINDTAP, MindTap. MindTap is going to allow you to take your quizzes, your exams. It's going to allow you to see professional development information. So you want to make sure you get that with this book. This book won't allow you just to pass this course, as all the quizzes and exams are on MindTap. Okay, and all of this is located in Canvas for you as well. So due to the pandemic that we are currently living in, this course is fully online. There will be no face-to-face meetings in this course. We will, however, meet 4 times through Zoom. And the link is on the homepage of how to download Zoom app. I will be sending you links that you just click on, and then once you have that app on whatever device you're using, that the meeting will pop up and you'll be able to join. I will be able to see you, so please join both video and sound. So there are 4 dates that we're going to be meeting. The first one is August 29th. During that time, we're going to go over the course and your requirements. And then you have 3 observations in this course. So we will be going over them in detail prior to the due dates. So the first one is September 12th, the second one is October 10th, and the third one is November 14th. These are all Saturdays. We will start off at 9 a.m. You must be on time. You will receive participation points for the 3 observation Zoom calls. So you want to make sure you're on them. I will record them, so if there's an emergency you can't make it, I'll put the recording on the Canvas, but you won't get your points. And if you have a particular question, you want to make sure to be there so you can ask it at that time. So make sure to turn on your notifications through Canvas, as I do send several announcements out, and I do send weekly emails to let you know what's due and what's coming up. I look forward to seeing all of you at our first Zoom meeting. Once again, it is Saturday, August 29th at 9 a.m., where we'll discuss this course in more detail. Take care, and I'll see you all soon.